What is up, YouTube? So this is going to be kind of a test video, I guess, because for the first time in like 5 or 6 years, I finally got a new camera. The last camera I had, it was a Canon, and I feel like it did an okay job, mostly with like pictures and stuff, but anytime I would try to record video, like getting it to focus was just a pain. So I upgraded to a more modern camera, so I figured this would be a good opportunity to make a quick video. Still have the Mustang. Nothing's really changed on it. I power washed it the other day and exposed a bit of rust, but for a car in the Midwest, that's fairly common. There's nothing structural, so it's not gonna like split apart. It's just the rockers, or not the rockers, but the wheel arch. And who knows, this may end up just getting cut out. We'll do like fender flares or something. The car is a V6, so it's got the V6 hood, not a GT. I prefer this hood actually. The GT with like the fake hood scoop and stuff, it just isn't my style. That's how she looks. She's nice and low. I gotta do something about these wheels. What I'm thinking is I want to do like some wide angle kit, and that'll push the wheels out farther with the extended LCAs. But since making my last video, I do have more parts for that thing. Because it's meant to be more of like a winter build, you know, it's gonna be over the next several months what I'm doing with it. I've got a new subframe. So if you watched in one of my last videos, I bought this guy here. This is a subframe out of an 03 Cobra Terminator. I bought it without all the driveline gear, so like the axle, the shafts, the knuckles, brakes, all that stuff was just bare. This is all I could find. So I was like, whatever, it was at the right price, I snagged it up. But this thing actually came up for a killer deal. This is by far the least expensive rear subframe from a Cobra that I could find. And it was like 45 minutes away from my house. Price and convenience was too good to pass it up. The benefit to going with the Cobra swap is you get a stronger axle. The Cobras were the 8.8, they came with limited slip, adjustable suspension, independent suspension, all that good stuff. So we're ditching the live axle. It's just heaps better than what's on the car already. It all bolts up where the existing control arms are, so it should be a direct swap. I'll make a video when I go to put that in. But like I said, this is just kind of a quick test video for the new camera. I want to see what the quality is, and I'll hopefully keep producing videos. So comment down below what you guys think of this video. Until the next one, peace.